Okay, so let's see, continue. What I was explaining is, we have the ellipse. The distance, the biggest size is considered as major diameter. Then the smallest size is considered as minor diameter. We have got 120 for major, 50 for minor. Okay? Then now, when we are drawing, we are looking for these centers. 1, 2, 3, 4 centers. Because this one is already existing, it's in the middle. But we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4. How do we find them? So the procedure is, we take the major diameter, we divide it into 2, we get 60. Then after you get 60, you open your compass 60, put your compass at center O, mark on top W, mark Z, mark X, and mark Y. These are representing 60 from the center. Okay? Then here you divide by 2. This is the minor diameter. You want to get the half of it so that you can mark. So it's 25. You mark 25 there, 25, 25, 25. After you do that, we say join X to V. Why? Because of the sitting arrangement of this ellipse. If it was sitting upright like this, we are going to use X and V. We could have used the number here and there so that we face it upright. But because it's sitting in this way, we are using X and V. Even if I want to use V and Z, but I must know what I'm doing. Okay? So after joining X and V, V is at 25 and X is at 60. Then W is at 60. So what you do is, you need to open your compass from V to W. Open your compass from V to W. Is that clear? Open your compass from V to W and draw an arc to cut line XV. Open your compass, put here, open to W, draw an arc to cut XV, like this. I'll put my compass here, open there, and draw an arc. That arc, where it cuts, I'll call it U. Okay? So I've got now X, U, and V, but my drawing was from V to W, draw an arc to cut U. Is that clear? Then the next part is, you remember yesterday our lesson we started with bisecting, eh? Now you are going to do bisecting. So you bisect XU, bisect XU. Is that clear? Bisect XU. So I'll put my compass at X, open it to U, draw an arc. Then I'll go to U, open to X, draw an arc. Okay, any question? A few seconds. What I'm trying to do is to be a little bit perfect, because if I push this point far end, because I'm using free hand, my line will go out of the page. Yes, question.
So that actually you say as a start there in X when you put your compass.
Yeah, you put your compass at X, open to U, and draw an arc. Then put compass at U, open to X, draw an arc in the opposite direction. Is that fine?
Yes.
Are we all fine? Okay. After you do that, draw a line from that point, passing through this point to cut this line. So this is center what? 2. Then where this line is cutting this horizontal line here is center what? 1. So we have center 2 and center 1. Any question? Any question? Okay. Okay, if there is no question, I want you to make sure that you understand the first basic part. This is the first basic part. Okay? This is where everything is coming from. Once you understand up to here, the rest is just copy, paste, copy, paste. Is that clear? Clear. Okay? Mommy, call Annie to help you there. Annie. Because she must know what is happening. Is he coming?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Annie must help you. Okay, so we proceed from here now. Did you take a photo of this one? You did, okay. You can take, then you share to the group. Because this is the critical part. It is not complicated, it is not confusing, it's just a critical part. Okay, now we proceed. From here, I want now to find center 3. I've got center 1 and center 2. I want to find center 3 and 4. What do I do? What am I supposed to do? Class, to find center 3 and center 4, what am I supposed to do? Yes. Hospital? Okay, Jao. You prefer Jao. Yes, Jao. What do we do? Mark?
Put your compass by center O and then put it to center 1 and mark it on the other side.
Thank you. You put your compass at center O, open it to center 1. Then mark the opposite because it's the same size. You get it, Papa? So we mark here and we get center 3. And what do we do with the center? What do we do with the center number 4? Okay. Center number 4. Check in those trays there. There must be one of the copies.
Which pen?
Huh?
Which pen? Can you send it to me now?
I want center number 4. What did you do?
Send.
Mm-hmm.
I think you put center O, open to center 3, and then you make an arc.
You put your compass center,
Center O, and then you
open center 3 and draw an arc. So you put your compass here, open there, and you put mark this side, ne?
Yes.
Center 4. Okay. Now, before we proceed, ne, I want you to draw up to here. Let me just change this one because it's a bit smaller. For your weight, I'll use the 70. So this is 70, and here it will be 35. I want, before I could go further, I want you to do it up to this far. So that when I'm adding the next lines, you understand. Do it now on your paper.
No, sir, please, before I proceed, here we started at the bottom, marking center.
Just a minute. How do I click this thing?
Marking center 4. Did you put your compass at center 2?
Just a minute. Or pause.
Okay. Okay, so I just want us to add a few more things. Look here. Remember, from here you measured here, then you marked on top. From here you measured there, you marked this side. I'll use green color. Draw a line from there, passing through there, continue. Draw a line from here, extend, passing through that point. Okay? Then draw a line from here, passing through that point. Why did we do that? You can see this line helps you to draw from there to there. This line and that helps you to draw from there to there. This one there and so on. Okay? Are we fine? Are we okay there? You understand how to draw these lines? You understand them? You're fine? Then when I'm drawing the arcs, okay, I'll put my compass here, open there, and draw this arc. Like this. Look here. I'll put my compass here, open there, and draw up to there, like this. Then this side also, I'll put my compass here, open there, then draw like this. Okay? So this center, you use it to draw this side. This center, this side. Now here on top, you use this one. You use this one, open to there. Check here, check there. Use this center, open to this point, check this, and check there. Your line must pass through here because that's the highest. So, you draw. Like that. Then you go on top here. Open to there, check there, check there. Then draw. So you put your compass here, you open there, you draw. Put your compass here, open there, check, and draw. That is the approach you are going to use. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. So what I would advise you is, do this ellipse, work interactively. Work on your paper, pencil work must be very faint. Very faint. Are we together? So, even your other classmates, when they started, they couldn't even hold the compass. Now they are even swinging the compass. There is always a first time, okay? So don't crush yourself. Lift yourself that you are the best. And once you start uplifting yourself that you are the best, you'll be the best. But if you say, me, problems, they have crushed me, you'll be problems. Thank you. So the next we'll talk about the polygons, but first do the ellipse. You can even do it 2-3 times until you get it right and your speed improves.
Sir, what is teaching Danish?